How to use done for you digital products as a side hustle in 2024. My name is Khalif Williams, married girl dad of two, and I struggled for years on and off, picking it up and putting it down, trying to figure out how to make money online. I've tried affiliate marketing, I tried network marketing, I tried multi-level marketing, and all the results were sporadic, if any, or I just donated until I discovered done for you digital products, till I discovered master resale rights, till I discovered 100% commissions. Done for you digital products in the digital marketing niche, you're able to get started with no experience, no business, and no products of your own, and be able to start a business within the next 24 hours and launch to profit within the next 7 days. Literally, in a week, look back and have profits sitting in your bank account that weren't there a week ago from products you didn't have to create. The Legacy Builder program I discovered teaches you how to do exactly that step by step. No experience needed, because there's daily and weekly live Zoom mentorship training along with question and answer to keep you moving forward. The products are created for you. They are done for you digital products that teaches people how to build a passive income stream online. And get this, only working around a 2-hour workday. The e-learning niche in which these programs are in, on average today, are doing $1.2 billion per sale. It's projected by 2027 that they will be doing $3 billion a day, and by 2030 they will be doing $1 trillion a day. And again, you have 4 done for you products created for you in this niche that pay you 100% profit, 100, 300, 600, up to $900 per sale, per product, per day, passively. And how do you ask? Because the company makes their money setting up your automated system, which does all the selling, all the telling, and all the closing for you, so you don't have to. If you don't like sales, good. The system does it for you. If you don't like tech or can't stand tech, good. The system is pre-built for you and the products are done for you, so you don't have to deal with any of that. You just plug into this program daily to learn the skills how to get customers digitally in 2 hours a day or less. 30 minutes with free copy and paste ads to high traffic classified ads websites where people are looking for this information and are currently buying, and 3 pieces of content on all the social media platforms of your choosing, where it teaches you how to stop the scroll of the people that are looking for this and attract them to your automated system that does all the selling, telling, and closing 24/7, allowing you to passively earn commissions that other 22 hours of the day when you're not working your 2-hour workday. It is the most brilliant business model I've ever discovered, in that it's a one-time investment, no monthly fees. $900 a day is $328,500 a year, where you can scale this business to with no monthly fees. And pay over time options are available at checkout, so you don't even have to come out of your pocket in its entirety. You can pay over time for as low as, I believe, $58 through one of the pay over time options, and be able to enroll, get the bonuses, and the 4 income streams on a pay over time plan. Guys, this is genius for the person that funds are low, debts are high, and you want a way to be able to change that immediately, if not sooner. The website to check out is www.getdailypayments.com. I will also link the information in the description for you to check it out for yourself. Nothing changes if nothing changes. This may be exactly what you've been hoping, wishing, and praying for. I hope to see you on the inside.